Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ivan Dunde. To those of you that are new here, you're most welcome. So yeah, in this video I want to show you where to get the likes of dumbbells at really lower prices other than instead of going to Sports House. I think in Sports House they are quite expensive, so I am going to somewhere on River Road. I saw them and they were quite cheap, so I want to get a skipping rope and dumbbells because right now I'm currently on my I am trying to record most of the weight loss journey that I want to lose weight. I had a baby a year and a half ago, and I've had so much weight that I've added on so much weight. And initially I was, before any baby came on the way, I have to I was around 66 kgs, so now I'm at 86, but I've managed to lose 10 kgs up to where I am, which is 86, which means I was around 96, and I'm not ashamed to say so. People are different and weight comes and goes if you want it to go, and yeah, that's what I'm currently on. I've started taking the likes of green juices just to be healthy, and I've been eating really healthy food as well. I do most of the cooking myself, so instead of the likes of bread, I've gone to more traditional ways like ngwashes, sweet potatoes, or ndomas, arrowroots. Yeah, so, and I've also added green juices into my recipe. So I'm in traffic right now, just on Uhuru Highway, so town is just minutes away, but there's a little traffic kidogo too. So yeah, I'll show you where to get them at cheaper prices. So we are headed there. So guys, this is River Road, and so where I'm going is this place, Sports Shop. Yeah, nionyeshe tu zote niko nazo.
Niko na ya 450, ya 580, 550.
550.
Hii ni 320. Hii ni 1500, hii ni ya digital. Hapo hii ni ya 290. 530.
So, acha nichague moja. So there is this, and it's quite expensive actually. They come in two. There is this, but this is coming 3 kgs. 3 kgs. So I like the feel of this. I don't like the feel of this. But if they are telling me that tomorrow they will have 1.5 and 2 kgs, so I think I'll be back again to get the dumbbells. So now I'm gonna take this and skip it to the rope, because the dumbbells, they do not have this quality for 2 kgs or 1.5, which is what I want. Guys, today is Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday in the evening, and guess where I'm at? I am watching people play lawn tennis, and I had forgotten how fun it was because I used to play in high school. Wow, it's been 12 years since high school, and it was so much fun and uncomplicated. I just feel like going there and playing. It was so fun. It was so much fun those days. Right now with the kids, but I'll have to look for time to come play. Oh my god, I feel the thrill. Just looking at them playing makes me feel like just going there and playing myself, but I don't think I remember how to play. Choose off. Would I remember? But one of my goals this year is to remain fit, or to be fit by the time December comes, and to at least play one game. Oh my goodness, it looks so fun. Just watching all these people play looks so much fun. I am in a club just seated. I'm just seated and I'm watching them play. Makes my heart feel, I'm happy. Really happy. Happy Monday, guys. And it's in the morning and I'm about to make my smoothie. Yeah, let's do that. That's my cucumber. That's the natural big mistake. I left my pineapples in the freezer, and this is the outcome. I'm also gonna put in one banana. So this is everything with the banana, the parsley, the mint leaves, the pineapple, the cucumber, and there's one in celery. Right, and then I'll just put in some juice. I'll add the mojito. So here it is. It's so yummy. Super yummy. It's so good. It's so good. If you haven't started taking your own green smoothies, you should start making. Then it's cold, and it's cold. The weather is cold, and I'm drinking it cold. And I'm telling you, if it was sunny, it will be so much better. But I'm going to take it like that anyway, or let it sit for around 30 minutes and then drink it. But I'll drink it slowly. Yeah, so this is my smoothie for the day, and I feel so amazing. I feel amazing for this transition that I'm making. I can't wait to weigh myself very soon. I'm going to get a weighing machine to be weighing myself to see if it's actually working. Anyway, even though it won't work for my weight loss, I think it's a healthy thing to do, to be taking smoothies. As you can see, since I started drinking it, of course with my skincare regimen, but I think these two have enabled me, keep the skin looking so good. Yeah, and don't mind my hair. Do not mind my hair. I just removed my bonnet, and this is what we are left with. Yeah, so let me go drink my juice, and I need to show my daughter her homework. Yeah, so I'll catch you later. Yes, is the next day, and I was making breakfast. I wanted to make one with an avocado, so I took my 3 pieces of bread and placed my avocado on top, and that's a healthy way of having your breakfast without applying butters and blue buns, which ain't so healthy. On top of the avocado, I put in slices of tomato and cucumber. Very healthy. And then with your tea, you're good to go. So wow, I have managed to do some things in town, one of them being getting waxed. I haven't waxed in a very long time, since I was pregnant. That is almost 2 years ago, and wow, my armpits still feel sore. It's painful guys. So I'm almost home. I know my parking doesn't have enough lighting, and in the house the lighting is also terrible right now. Not so much light coming through. So I wanted to let you know guys that I'm where I buy my mint leaves and all those things for juicing. So I do buy them from Du Bois Road. There's a mama there who brings stuff. I don't know her name, I've never asked. I also don't have her number, but I can explain to you where to buy. When you're on Du Bois Road, almost getting to Accra Road, where there are many taxis that stop there. Actually, it's almost opposite where the Meru matatus used to be. I don't even remember the name of the matatus, but it's opposite there. Or somewhere after the matatus that usually carry people to Meru. There are some matatus there to Meru, and taxis. Taxis are just for probably within Nairobi. So that's where you buy. And apart from buying the celery and all that, like this one, look at how fresh it is. They are so fresh. So I do also get this from her, and the red ones. So I buy all these things from her, and she has a variety of vegetables from there. So these I buy for cooking, and these for making my juices. And her stuff are so fresh, you guys. They are so fresh. And I think her pricing is like, the whole of this is 50 bob. Like, how affordable, right? And so fresh. So fresh. The only thing that you need to do is to clean them really well with lots of water, running water most likely. Yeah, and I also wanted to give you an update that I'm almost out of my water. I do take this, like 2 bottles of this each day, but I have to use the toilet so many times. so many times. So when I wake up, I have to drown one of this before I leave the house. Yeah, and when leaving the house, I have to take one with me. So guys, for your skin and for generally like the entire body, to cleanse your entire body, you need water. You need water. Yeah, that was the update. And can you imagine, I'm even going to throw away this. I have to cut it into pieces. Can you imagine I went with an expired card in the supermarket? I left one in the car and in my bag, which I left in the car, and then I carried an expired card. This I have to throw away. Anyway, thank God for M-Pesas, because it saved me today. It saved me. Yeah, and I'm about to get to the house to see my kids. Yeah, the joys of a mother. So also I am trying to eat healthy, but when you get into a supermarket, the cravings just come. And I got myself a cake. Like, come on, Eve. You're trying to get, to get fit, and this is what you carry from the supermarket. This isn't all. I also love the festive buns. I also love these buns, the round ones, but there were no round ones, so I had to take this. I don't know what I should do. What should I do? Like, come on. We are getting fit this year. We are getting fit. And that will come by fire, by force, if need be. Yeah, so I'll catch you later, guys. I have to go.